Well, the rain's just gone over. Heavy rain just come down a few minutes ago. Solar panels are soaking wet. Solar panels are doing well, producing quite a lot of power even in the bad weather. At the same time, I've got my twin UVs working. Both on there together. They're connected up to the solar system, as is my, well, all the ponds connected to the solar system, as is that's doing quite well. I'd say everything is connected to the solar system through this sort of box here. You see, that's a standard box for the pond. These are connection boxes with fuses in, so I can just unplug one, just open one of these and just replace any fuse should it go. It's a lot simpler than trying to undo that and put 3 fuses in. So, as I said, it's just rained, a heavy rain, and it's gone, and I've just treated the pond with some clay. Just that cheap clay, £20 for a big packet. I found it works fine. But I put it in because there's a lot of chemicals drop in from rain, and this will clear up in about 2 or 3 hours. So not a lot to see on the pond, but everything's working fine. Still cool. The rain, it's been raining well the last few days on and off. So we're going to get some nice weather this coming weeks, but I'll see that when it happens. I've been thinking of putting a camera onto the edge of the pond here and live streaming, but I don't know whether anybody would be interested in that, to tell you the truth. And if I had a camera here, and somewhere about like that, about that angle, and live stream the pond. But I don't know who would be interested in that, or if enough people would be interested in it. Fish are coming up and looking for the food. You can see that clay is starting to clear already. Pond should be nice and sparkling by tomorrow, if we don't get any more rain. So for today, Sunday, we'll leave it there. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. And leave a comment if you think a live stream camera would be interesting on the end of the pond. So take care. See you in the next one.